show you how to use local groups and subscribe to notifications from them. So on desktop, on the right-hand panel, there's the top part of the panel that shows your local groups, and if you're subscribed, you will see your local groups listed in here for easy bookmark access. You'll be able to find your local group. You'll also see in the discussions panel about halfway down, there's the local groups that you can click through to there. On mobile, there's these two right-hand panels are actually seen as menus on mobile, so you can click either of those to find your local groups as well. So if I click find your local group, at the moment we have a select few local groups as we're just rolling it out. So if you can't find your group, you can either suggest a local group to us and we'll see what we can do about getting that added, or select the most local group to you. So let's say, for argument's sake, it's Manchester. So we go into Manchester. It's really straightforward to post, as you do anywhere else on the site. What you'll see is a pop-up that will ask you, would you like to become a member of the group? And what this means is that you will get notifications when anybody posts to the group, so that you can easily go and find them and give them a response fairly quickly. I'll say no thanks for now, so I can show you how to go back and subscribe to notifications should you want to at a later date. Filling in a post is like anywhere else on the site. You put in a title and more detail if you want to. It's auto-selected to your local group, and then you just do a post. So this will then come up in this listing, and other members will be able to see it and respond to your post. You'll also be able to post at the bottom. If you lose your way at all on this page, there's an easy way to post at the bottom as well. To subscribe, up in the corner, you'll see follow. So if you click follow, that will now send you notifications when anybody posts into your local group. If I select unfollow, that will do exactly the opposite and stop sending you subscriptions. You'll notice if you go back on to the community home that now Manchester is listed in my local groups. If you can't find Manchester and you still want to unsubscribe, there's another way that you can do this. You can go onto your profile, forums, subscriptions, and then you'll see here I'm subscribed to Manchester, and I just click the star, and now I'm unfollowed. If I just refresh this page, I'll see that it's no longer there. So I hope that was helpful. If you'd like to reach out to me about anything else, you can email me on info@restless.co.uk. Happy posting.